Welcome to the Royal Choice channel. Today we will see let's look at some of the 10 weirdest things built out of gold. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel to get a new video update. Who hasn't been charmed by the color gold at some point in their lives? Some people have realized that unusual gold things can garner worldwide attention and have taken steps to make this happen in the past, but others have not. If you believe that gold is the most suitable metal for jewelry, you may want to rethink your position on this. 1. Golden chocolate bar. This chocolate bar is one of the most expensive chocolate bars in the world, thanks to the edible gold leaf coating and gold wrapper that make it one of the most expensive chocolate bars in the world. It went on sale for the first time in 2009 for $1,608.22 in London, United Kingdom, where it was purchased by a customer. According to the statement, the price is thought to be equal to the exact value of the weight of gold in question. 2. Gold credit card. In 2012, a Kazakhstani bank introduced an exclusive credit card made of gold, diamonds, and a mother of pearl, which was intended to be used only by the bank's existing customers. You should always think twice before handing over your credit card to a retailer or merchant if you have one of these cards. The card is expected to cost $100,000, according to reports. 3. Gold-plated iPhone. In partnership with Gold & Co., a London-based jeweler, the company has introduced a $4,380 24-karat gold-plated iPhone 5, which is currently available. In 2012, Apple released the first generation of its smartphone, and this occurred shortly after. Even if this looks to be an overly expensive purchase to you, keep in mind that gold mobile phones are rapidly gaining popularity in the marketplace. Purchasing gold on the internet has never been more straightforward. You may buy and sell digital gold with complete transparency, and there are no hidden fees or costs involved with doing so. 4. Gold toilet. For 2 years in 2016, and again in 2017, the toilet, designed by Italian artist Maurizio Cattelan, was on display at the Solomon R. Guggenheim Museum in New York, where it was on display from 2016 to 2017. It was constructed of 18-karat gold and was fully functional in every way. The Trump Tower's penthouse, which is said to include several gold furnishings, does not appear to contain a solid gold toilet, despite reports to the contrary. One of his private jet's restrooms is planned to be decked with gold fixtures, according to the plan. 5. Gold dumbbells. Christoph Hock, a German designer, has produced a line of high-end workout equipment, including gold dumbbells that retail for more than $125,000 each. He claims that the product was intended to be utilized for more than just physical activities when it was first introduced. Because Hock items are built to last a long time, they can also be considered an investment. Gold also has a high level of safety value, making it an excellent choice for financial planning. Numerous individuals consider the buying of digital gold to be a viable financial option. Finserv Markets is a platform that allows you to purchase digital gold without the requirement for any supporting documentation. 6. Gold shirt. As a birthday present for himself in 2013, Data Food, an Indian, commissioned a clothing made entirely of gold. Made of 14,000 pieces of 24-karat gold, the garment cost approximately $240,000 and weighed slightly more than 3.5 kgs. He was later assassinated as a result of a monetary issue. It is now feasible to purchase and sell digital gold, which makes financial transactions safer and more efficient than they were before possible. 7. Gold toilet paper. The Toilet Man, an Australian company, developed a toilet paper roll that was totally made of 22-karat gold and was marketed throughout the world. Approximately $1,376,900 was spent on a single roll of toilet paper. Each item, as well as a bottle of champagne, will be individually delivered, according to the firm. In addition to gold bars, online gold purchases can encompass a wide variety of gold-related products and services. 8. Gold pencil. A Korean designer who now resides in New York, Daesung Kim, invented golden pencils that were coated with a thin layer of 24-karat gold in 2009. Each component had a $20 price tag attached to it. Isn't that just the cutest thing ever? You may make your own using online gold purchasing with Finserv Markets, which allows you to acquire an unlimited amount of gold without any restrictions. 9. Golden lemonade. Elixia Faustin, a French company, designed an exquisite lemonade that was served chilled and garnished with 24-karat gold flakes to commemorate the occasion. After a client placed an order for a very expensive drink through an online website in Dubai, the idea for the ultra-luxurious beverage was hatched. Other rich clients are likely to have been influenced by the luxury of the cocktail to create their own costly beverages at their leisure. Are you interested in creating one for yourself? Investment in digital gold is simple and may be completed in a short time frame with the use of the internet. 10. Golden staples. They were created by the Dutch design studio Ooms as a form of jewelry, with 14-karat gold plating, and are available for purchase. The staples are packaged in a velvet container with 24 pieces that costs $210 and contains 24 staples. Moreover, it recommends that you impress your supervisor by submitting your papers with gold staples. Thanks for watching the video. If you found value in this video, would be super appreciative if you could like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.